Good morning. Maybe you're wondering why I am making this video now. The video is about the value that you have and the vision that you have. Let's talk a little bit about successful learning. Successful learning comes from discipline, and in order to have a discipline, you have to have a plan. And this plan should contain all the things that you have to do to get to where you want to be, because this is part of your vision. So if your vision is to be an advanced English speaker, you have to have a plan for that. And the plan should have a checklist. I'm telling you this because I see a lot of people actually post beautiful photos on Instagram and Facebook and social media, and they create some sort of good, beautiful content. But the problem is that they do this for self-gratification. They don't do this because they add a value. The kind of videos and photos that they post are for their own personal self-gratification. Part of you as a human being and as a citizen of any country is to add a value to yourself and to market this value to people so you can gain social status. And the social status that you gain comes from the knowledge that you have and how much time you dedicate to yourself to become a better communicator of this knowledge through your social skills. In order to improve your social skills, you don't have to use Instagram filters. You have to invest in reading and improve your personal communication skills. Personal communication skills get you where you want to be. Verbally able to convey the message that you have is going to make you a better social speaker. And this eventually, all thankfully to the presence of language, is going to get you the status that you want to be as a part of your vision. So please invest so much time in developing your personal skills. Don't just post photos on Instagram and Facebook because people will say to you, "You look awesome and elegant today." You have to add a knowledge value to yourself, and this added value is going to make you a successful person over the long run. Invest in a vision where you have to have a degree or a scholarship, or you're going to plan to read the most important 100 books in the world. Think big. Think out of the box. Make yourself dedicated to something that makes you wake up at 5 or 4 a.m. to do it, just like I'm doing this in the early morning. So the kind of passion and the willingness to get to your vision is going to be disciplined by a plan. Check out this plan that I have for myself from yesterday. These are the things that I was planning actually to do. I, sadly speaking, was not able to do all of them. But the issue is they're part of a vision to self-develop myself, to be able to become a better editor, a better communicator, and a better English teacher. Try to be like me. I'm not saying I'm a very successful, rich person because I'm not after being rich. Being a teacher is a social activity. And no matter how much teachers get paid, we are not going to give them the equivalence of the value and knowledge that they have endowed on us. Whatever we have become, maybe that came from a single comment that was given to us by a teacher. They are the true inspiration. So if you want to be a great teacher, if you want to be a great learner of language, very professional one, a great social activist and communicator, invest in your own potential skills and develop them and hone them to a point that really makes you stronger and more knowledgeable about the kind of job that you are doing or the kind of mission that you are involved in. This is daily motivation video. I hope you have a wonderful day.